too. The hammer match.
We're here. We've been waiting for almost a year now. Car's been on the back burner. Finally got painted. This is one I imported a while ago. I'll insert the picture here when we first got it, but let's go check it out. I'm juiced. If you're wondering why I brought these wheels, it's for this car because it looks trash with these wheels on. Coda, we beat you with the sparkling, shimmering Splendid, dude. This is Eric. You guys remember Eric from
episode what, 9 or something?
Yeah, way back. The Supra. He painted my Supra. We'll insert that clip right here. Here's the other project, the real Levin that we imported. Eric's gonna paint this one. This one's gonna be, I want to tell you the color, but I can't. It's so good. Going full wide body. I already got some wheels for it. I got the kit coming in from Japan. It's actually Gabe's car, and then I traded him for another Hachi and an R32 4-door. I'll have 11 in a coupe, or 11 in a regular one, USDM one. Dude, this thing's gonna be crazy. Look how wide it is. Oh. It's a one-of-a-kind gold, right? No one has this. 101. No one has it.
I watch y'all, just want to let you guys know that. Yeah, I came through here, dude, to get my car painted, and your Supra was in there.
Oh dang!
Yeah,
that was a while ago.
Yeah,
dude.
I posted on my video. I was like, yo, he don't know me yet, but I was like, this is Eot's car, bro. I was like, it's a clean paint job, so yeah, it was being done.
Appreciate
yeah,
you,
man, I really like what you guys do, and you guys put on for the IE too, man. So I really appreciate that.
Man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Roller. Driving away shot.
It's dead.
Oh,
Yo,
frick.
I gotta push this thing, dude.
Walk away shot.
I'm gonna try and push it.
Need my help, bro?
Look, I got this, dude. We're getting our roller shot right now.
Sick. Slow-mo.
I wonder if it'll even bump start.
Here, let me push you. Time to get that drive away shot.
I am working.
You're working?
Yeah.
Are you fixing the car?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's green.
Someone hit me up and asked me if I want to buy VSKFs again. Just sold them. And I missed them already. So I'm buying more. What's up, man? Thanks for driving down here.
Yeah. So Jordan,
Yeah, man.
got Leah her split.
Yeah, man.
Having car problems, so I had to take the family.
What's the opposite, do you know? Man, some TEs, you can check it out. Extra Baron's garage sticker. We're all sold out of those things, so.
You get the copy? Did you able to sign it?
I can, yeah.
For what? Yeah, I bought my mama a Lexus IS300. Yes, sir. You got approved?
Yes, sir. Yeah, dude. Perfect. All right, boys.